Geotechnical investigation services in Mehrauli play a crucial role in the construction and engineering industries. These services involve the study and analysis of the soil and rock properties at a particular site to determine their suitability for construction projects. The information obtained from geotechnical investigations helps engineers and architects design foundations, retaining walls, and other structures that are safe and stable. In Mehrauli, where the geology can vary significantly from one location to another, geotechnical investigations are essential to ensure the structural integrity of buildings and infrastructure. Geotechnical investigation services in Mehrauli encompass a range of activities, including soil testing, site characterization, and risk assessment. This information is used to assess the bearing capacity of the soil, which is crucial for designing foundations that can support the weight of structures. This information helps engineers understand the site conditions and make informed decisions about construction methods and materials. In Mehrauli, where there is a high demand for new construction projects, geotechnical investigation services are in high demand. By conducting geotechnical investigations early in the planning phase, potential risks and challenges can be identified, allowing for appropriate design modifications or engineering solutions. In conclusion, geotechnical investigation services in Mehrauli are essential for ensuring the safety and stability of construction projects. By analyzing the soil and rock properties at a site, engineers can design foundations and structures that can withstand the unique geological conditions in Mehrauli. SCON Design is a trusted provider of geotechnical investigation services in Delhi, offering comprehensive solutions to clients in Mehrauli. In Mehrauli, where the soil conditions can vary significantly from one site to another, geotechnical investigation services are crucial for designing safe and cost-effective structures. By understanding the unique characteristics of the soil at a particular location, engineers can make informed decisions about foundation design, slope stability, and ground improvement techniques. In conclusion, geotechnical investigation services in Mehrauli are crucial for ensuring the safety and success of construction projects. By assessing the soil and rock properties, these services provide valuable information for engineers and designers to develop appropriate design solutions. Mehrauli's unique geological and environmental conditions require specialized investigations to address challenges related to rock formations, groundwater table, and other factors. Therefore, it is essential for developers and construction companies in Mehrauli to engage professional geotechnical investigation services to mitigate risks and ensure the long-term stability of their structures.